good. So it's been 3 months since the last time I uploaded. Now that would have been crazy, except for the fact that it's me, and this is normal considering how lazy I get sometimes. But anyway, so first of all, the title and thumbnail of this video. So YouTube, if you take a week or two off, the next time you upload, YouTube shadow bans so hard. Yeah, and the next video I'm going to upload in a day or two, it took a lot of time to film, it took a lot of time to edit, and just to put together in general, and I don't want it to flop. So why is a thumbnail, why is it like that? To lessen the shadow ban on the next video. So for whatever reason, if you're still watching this, just drop a sub, help out, join the Discord. Yeah, so anyway, where have I even been? Yeah, kind of been busy with school and everything, and I actually tried to record so many times. It was like 3 times since the last time I uploaded that I actually tried to record and like make a new project and stuff, but it just didn't work out. Yeah, but I was trying to hack my LED lights to like customize it and stuff, because you know, it'd be cool if I could hack LED lights, I guess. Alright, you know what, I'm gonna see you guys in a couple days, the next time I upload.